And you know, everybody had a lot of fun. Comedians around the world had a lot of fun with Bush, and even to the very end. And one of them, Jay Leno or somebody at Letterman, said there was a bit of confusion at the White House when President Bush was told that Obama was coming. He said, "Oh, what? Did we catch him at last?" Yeah. And another one of the late night gags to farewell Bush was that, you know, on the transition was that Obama had really succeeded. He'd hit it off the big time because he'd made it into a Spider-Man comic. And the plot of the Spider-Man comic involved Spider-Man stopping the bad guys who wanted to disrupt Obama's inauguration. And the late night guy said, and apparently the comic was really helpful to President Bush in helping him understand the transition. You know,